This is just a demonstration video on how to pair your smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto through Bluetooth. So basically we click on this Bluetooth here, it shows us the Bluetooth name. Turn on the Bluetooth if it's off. Then we go under settings. This is an iPhone. This process is pretty much the same for an Android also. So we see the same name here as that. So we click on this. So it will ask for a pairing prompt, or it will connect and then ask for a prompt. So here is the pairing. Now it's connected, showing the iPhone. Now the Z-Link app will launch automatically, and then it will show you a prompt on the iPhone like this, or even on an Android phone it shows like this, a prompt. And then you click on continue or connect, and then wireless CarPlay will launch within a minute. So here is wireless CarPlay. It has already started playing my last music. And I can go here. If Google Maps is installed on the iPhone, then it will pick up maps right there. So you can choose and start navigating.
Head west on first main road toward.
You can also have like a split screen view where we have the music on one side and the GPS on another. This is possible only on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you can add a stop or you could exit. Also, if you want to disconnect Apple CarPlay from this phone, say if you don't want to use Apple CarPlay for the phone, what you do is go here, click on this Wi-Fi logo. It will say disconnect CarPlay. After hitting disconnect, we go here and put off the Bluetooth. When you put off the Bluetooth, basically it will not connect back again. Now you'll see it will disconnect from Z-Link. Now on the home page, this is where Z-Link is. To access that app for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's also under apps. So you can go under apps and then choose Z-Link. Now what I do is I'll turn on this Bluetooth, go under settings. If I don't manually connect it, it will connect back on its own in some time. And once after we connect, it launched Z-Link. And then wireless Apple CarPlay will display.